Welcome back. Well, the Supreme Court wrapped up a productive summer session on Friday, delivering decisions on landmark cases that will impact really our lives for decades to come. Rod Sullivan is a constitutional law professor, and he's joining us this morning. Thank you so much for being here, Rod. We appreciate you always.
Thank you, Ashley.
And looking very patriotic, might I add.
Yeah, 4th of July, right? That's the weekend.
Exactly. So first, the case that many across the country are watching is, the student debt relief. First off, your reaction to the decision.
It was expected. I mean, this is really a separation of powers argument. Congress appropriates and spends money. The executive branch is responsible for doing what Congress says. And Congress never said you could forgive the debt. And that's what the president did. So I was not surprised. Nevertheless, the Department of Education is already working a workaround. What they intend to do is they intend to raise the amount of money you can earn before you can waive paying your debt to $80,000. So I don't think that this issue is done by any means.
An affirmative action, the court says that it's now illegal, and this isn't the first time that the court has taken up affirmative action. So why do you think it ruled now?
Well, 25 years ago, when it first said you could use affirmative action in college admissions, it said, we expect this ruling to only last for 25 years, which put it out to 2028. So it wasn't, again, a surprise that they did this. It came up to the court at this particular time, and they simply said, yeah, we're not going to allow this to happen anymore in this fashion. Again, Justice Sotomayor said you need to resist this ruling. You need to go ahead and do anything you can to work around it. And Harvard has already said we're going to work around it.
Let's also turn now to freedom of religion. Lori Smith, a Colorado website designer, she did win her case. Will this have any effect on Jacksonville's human rights ordinance and also the Queen of Angels case that's currently pending in Jacksonville? Your insight?
In my opinion, the 303 creative case is the most significant for Jacksonville. The HRO requires people to use preferred pronouns if they're in business. And the school board is considering whether or not teachers should be required to use preferred pronouns, whether or not students should be required to. And this case says the government can't compel you to speak. The government can't tell you you have to use these ways to speak, and I think that's fairly significant. Now, in 303 Atlantis, it was a website. Colorado said this woman had to design websites for gay marriages, and she said that violates my religion. And they took it all the way up, and the Supreme Court said, no, if that violates her religion, you can't compel her to speak in this fashion. Queen of Angels has a similar question. They say that the HRO requires them to use preferred pronouns, and their store policy is not to do that. And I think that based upon 303 creative, they win that argument. I think the HRO, quite frankly, has to be amended. As it currently stands, I think it's unconstitutional, and it probably needs to be changed.
And lastly, let's look ahead. Do you think the court will play a major role as we actually do have a presidential candidate facing 2 investigations?
No, the Supreme Court has pretty consistently said something that you can only have so many restrictions on people who can run for public office, and if it's not in the Constitution, you can't have it. So consequently, there's nothing in the Constitution that says that a felon, somebody in prison, somebody in investigation can't run for and be the president. And they did this with regard to Congress, and I think that'll be the same ruling with regard to the presidency. So no matter what happens in those investigations, no matter what criminal charges come down, no matter what convictions there are, Donald Trump will still be able to run. Or if Biden gets, charged with something as a result of these investigations into graft, I don't think any of those will affect their ability to run for the presidency.
Rod Sullivan, we appreciate your insight and time. As always, good to see you.
Nice to see you too, Ashley.